हेलो लर्नर्स, आपकी मैम आ चुकी हैं एक नए चैप्टर के साथ दैट इज हेरॉन्स फार्मूला ऑफ क्लास 9th. Basically, Heron's formula is used for finding the area of the triangle. But the question is, why we need Heron's formula to find out the area of the triangle? We already have one formula. Yes or no? What is that formula? Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. This we already know that area of the triangle is half into base into height. Then why we need Heron's formula? Because this formula will fail when we don't have base and height. If we don't have base and height, we are not able to find out the area of the triangle. So we can use the Heron's formula for finding the area of the triangle. In this formula, we should have all the three sides, that is A, B and C. And what is that Heron's formula? The Heron's formula is area of triangle is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Since it is a triangle, so it should have three sides as well as three angles. And what is S? S indicates the semi-perimeter, means the half of the perimeter. And what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. This is clear to you? Okay, now we are going to start our Heron's formula. The question is clear why we need Heron's formula. We already have the formula area of the triangle. We can use both the formulas according to the question need. If you have base and height, you will use area of triangle as half into base into height. If you don't have the height of the triangle, you can use, if you have all the sides but not the height, you can use Heron's formula. What is that formula? Square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle and S is semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay, now see some definition. The region enclosed within a closed figure is called its area. Suppose it is a triangle. The region enclosed within a simple closed figure, the region enclosed within a simple closed figure is called its area. So the shaded region is the area. The area of the triangle is half into base into height, and there is a formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 a square unit square, or we can say square unit, where a is the side of an equilateral triangle. We can prove this formula or we can directly use this formula, because this formula is derived when we put a, b, c equals to a, because it is a property of an equilateral triangle that all the sides of the triangle are equal. Then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. So we can directly find out the area of an equilateral triangle. Semi-perimeter is the half of the perimeter, and here it is Heron's formula. Yes, yes, S is equals to semi-perimeter and is equals to half of the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C over 2. Yes, now the triangles, the division of triangle on the basis of the sides. There are three types of triangle. Equilateral triangle, where all the sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal to each other. Scalene, no side is equal to each other. Based on angle, the triangle is divided into three parts: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the three angles are less than 60 degree. Very good. 60 or 90? Very good. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Acute angle triangle is a triangle where all the angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degree and rest other two is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree and the rest other two angles are acute angle. You know acute angle, the angle which is less than 90 degree. So the formula of area of the triangle is half into base into height. Yes. See this, we can derive this formula, half into base into height. Here OC will be AC square. AC square is equals to OA square plus OC square. So OA square will be height. We can find out the height of an equilateral triangle, substitute AC as A and OC as half of A by 2. Sorry, half of A. So we can find out the height by applying Pythagoras theorem. So the height of an equilateral triangle will be root 3A whole upon 2. This is the height. Okay, what is the formula for area of the triangle? Half into base. Base is of length A and into height. If you simplify this, the area of an equilateral triangle will be directly found as root 3 by 4 A square. This is clear? Okay, moving forward, isosceles triangle is a triangle in which both two sides are equal to each other. No need to learn this. We can directly use the concept, because we know in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal to each other. This is the Heron's formula. Okay, if you need to find out the area of this polygon, what you need to do? if you need to find out the area of this quadrilateral, you will divide this quadrilateral with the help of diagonal into two triangles. And if you have the sides of these two triangles, you can find out the area because you know Heron's formula. Yes or no? Yes. So in this question, a park is in the shape of the quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral ABCD, okay, where angle C is 90 degree given. Okay, AB has 12, AB has 9, BC has 12, CD, okay. How much area does this quadrilateral it occupy? So for that, we need to find out the area of the first as well as the area of the second triangle. For that, first you need to find out the side. AC, okay, BC is given 12 and AB is, where is AB? 9 and CD is also given as 5. Okay, let me write aside. This is CD given as 5. So, and also this angle is 90 degrees. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse length will be 13. If you have all the three sides of this triangle, we can find out the area as well as in this. The sides are 9, 8 and 12. We can find out the area of first as well as the second triangle. Then we will add both the areas because we need to find out the area of the quadrilateral, which is the sum of the area of the two triangles. Yes or no, learners? This is easy. Okay, try this by your own. If you have any doubt, then you can comment and ask your doubt. Very easy question for you. Yes, now we are going to solve the questions. An isosceles right angle triangle has area. Okay, it is an isosceles as well as a right angle triangle. If the triangle is right angle triangle, it means the one of the side is the longest side, and that side is called hypotenuse, which is opposite to 90 degree. Very good. If the side which is opposite to 90 degree will be the longest side, it means the rest other two sides are equal to each other because it is said in the question that it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we know that formula of isosceles triangle is half into base into height. Sorry, area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. That is provided in the question, that is 8 centimeter square. Okay, from this you will conclude that base and height are of equal length, so we can let x and x. So half x square is equals to 8, so x square will be 16. So the value of base and height is 4 centimeter. Yes, what they're asking the find out the length of its hypotenuse. So length of its hypotenuse will be 4 root 2. 4 root 2 can be written as root 32. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So the correct option of this question will be option number A, that is root 32 centimeter. Any doubt? No? Okay, moving forward. Okay, what it is provided? It is provided that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, we know what is equilateral triangle, a triangle having all the sides equal to each other. So the sum of all the sides is equals to the perimeter given in the question as 60 meter. So 3a will be equals to 60. So the value of a will be 20 meter. Yes or no? Yes. It means now you have the side of an equilateral triangle. What you need to find out the area. What is the formula for area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square means side square. So if you find out, if you solve it, a 20 square, it will become root 3 over 4 into 400. This can be written as 100 root 3 centimeter square will be the area of the triangle. It means which option is correct? Yes, the last option, number D. Any doubt? No. Okay, now moving to the next question. Yes, try question number third. The sides of an equilateral triangle, so sorry, the sides of a triangle are given as 56, 60 and 52. Okay, so first we will find out the perimeter. So perimeter means the sum of all the sides. So 56 plus 60 plus 52 will be the perimeter. It means the semi-perimeter will be the half of, add these three numbers, it will become 162. 168, and if you solve this will be 84. It means the semi-perimeter of the triangle is 84. Okay, now what is the formula for area of the triangle? Area of triangle by Heron's formula is under root S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Okay, put the values. 84 into 84 minus 56 into 84 minus 60 into 84 minus 52. If you simplify it, so it will become 84 into 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. If you subtract these two, what will come? 24. If you subtract these two, what will come? 32. Yes or no? Yes. Now we need to make a perfect square inside the bracket. Okay, let's see. If we do the prime factorization of 84, so it will be 42 to 21, 3 into 7. So 84 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 7. Now 28 turn, 28 can be written as 7 and this is 4. Means 28 can be written as 2 square into 7, and 24 can be written as 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Okay. There is a one pair of 3, 3 will come outside. And one pair of 7, 7 will come outside. These two will outside. Okay. Now this can be written as 2 raised to the power 8. And if we need to take outside the root, it will be 2 raised to the power 4. So 32 into 21, its unit digit will be 2. Okay, if you multiply this by this, it will become 42. Okay, 21 into 2, 42, and 21 into 3, 63. 63 plus 4, 67. Anything wrong in this? There is 1, 2 also. So if you multiply 2 with this, it will become 1344. Yes, learners, which option is correct? Yes, very good. Option number C. So the area of the triangle having the sides 56, 60 and 52 centimeter long is 1344. Any doubt? No? Okay. Now try question number 4 by your own. The area given to us. Okay, let's do this again. Yes. Area of the triangle, we need to find out with having a side A as 2 root 3. Okay, the formula for area is root 3 by 4, side is square. If you simplify it, it will become 2 root 3 whole square, that is equals to 4 into 3, that is 12 over 4. Very good. Root 3. This can be written as 3 root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.73. If you multiply these two, it will become 5.19. That is option number. Yes, learners. Very good. Option number A. Any doubt? No? Okay. Moving forward. Okay, the length of each side we need to find out. Area is given. Okay, area is given means root 3 by 4. A square value is given as 9 root 3. Okay, this will cancel this. So the value of A is 3 into 2, that is 6. It means the side of a triangle is 6. Okay, very easy question. We already found the answer. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now try question number 6. If the area of an equilateral triangle is given, means root 3 by 4, A square value is given as 16 root 3. Simplify it, the value of A will be 8. Then the perimeter, if it is an equilateral triangle, the perimeter will be equals to the thrice of the side. So the perimeter will be very good, 24 centimeter. Any doubt? No? Okay, moving forward. Again, very easy question. The sides of a triangle are given 35, 54 and 61. Okay, so the perimeter will be 35 plus 54 plus 61, that is equals to 0, okay, 1 carry, 9 and 6, 150. This will be the perimeter. So the semi-perimeter will be 75. So with the help of Heron's formula, we can find out the area. Okay, area of triangle will be under root 75 into 75 minus 35 into 75 minus 54 into 75 minus 61. Yes, simplify this 75 into 40 into 21 into 14. Yes. Now 75 into 75 can be written as 5 cube. Yes or no? No. 5 cube. No. This can be written as 3. 3 into 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay. 40 can be written as 2 cube into 5. 21 can be written as 7 into 3. And 14 can be written as 7 into 2. If you rewrite this can be written as 3 square into 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power 2. The number who form perfect square will come outside the bracket. So we will take 3, 2 square and 7 and 5 outside the bracket. Inside the root we will have 5. Simplify it. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 35 into root 5 will become 36 plus 9, 42. Oh, sorry. 40 root 3. Huh? 420 root 3. Anything wrong? No. Everything is correct here. So this is the area of the triangle, that is 420 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area. But what they are asking? Guess. The length of its longest altitude. We know that area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Also the area of the triangle we just found out as 420 root 3. Yes or no? We need to find out the longest altitude, means when the height is maximum. Yes, tell me. When the height is maximum? Yes, when the base is minimum. The base is minimum in which side? 35. So we will put base as 35 and find height of the triangle. So this 35 comes in 7th table 5 times, and this comes as 60, and this cancel this 12. So the height will be 12 root 3 into 2. So the height of a triangle will be 24 root 3. You need to understand this concept. Length of its longest altitude. When they talk about the longest altitude, means the smallest base, because the base and height are interrelated to each other. When we need the longest altitude, we need smaller base. When we need the smallest height, it means we need longer base. This is clear. So the correct option is which option? Very good. Option number C. That is 25. It is 5 here. Everywhere it is 5. Any doubt, learners? No? Okay. Now move to the next question. Read the question carefully and try to solve by your own. The area of an isosceles triangle having base 2 centimeter and length of one of its equal side. Okay, if the length of one of its equal side is 4, it means the another side is also 4, yes or no? Because two sides are equal to each other and having a length of 4 centimeter. Okay, the third side is 2 centimeter given in the question. Find the area. We need to find out the area. Again, we will apply Heron's formula. Semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter, 4 plus 2. That is the semi-perimeter is 5. So the area of the triangle is equals to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Yes, write it carefully. S value is 5. 5 into s minus 4, s minus 4, 5 minus 2. So it will become under root 5 into 3. That can be written as root 15. Root 15 is in which option? Yes, it is wrongly written. It is root 15 centimeter square. So the correct option is which option? Option number A. Now try question number 9 and 10. The edges of the triangular board is it. Now find the cost of painting it at the rate of rupee 9 paisa per centimeter square. Okay, for that first we need to find out the area in terms of centimeter square. So the area of the triangle will be under root s. The s value is 18 plus 6, 24 by 2, that is 12. So 12 into 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 10. So the area of the triangle will be 12 into 6 into 4 into 2. This can be written as 6 into 2 into 6 into 2 square into 2. It means it is a perfect square number. 6 into 2 into 2, that is 24. This is the area of the triangle. But we need to find out what is the rate of painting it. The total area is 624 unit, and 1 centimeter square cost is 9 paisa. How many centimeter square we have? 24. So we need to multiply this by 24, yes or no? If you multiply it, it will become 216 paise. Very good. Now you need to convert this paisa into rupee. So if you convert this paisa into rupee, it will become, the rupee is 2.16 rupee. This will be the correct answer. It means which option is correct? Very good. B option is correct. Okay, read this carefully. Very easy question again. The base of a right triangle is 48. Okay, it is a right angle triangle. We know if the triangle is right angle triangle, it has three sides, and the three sides will be called as hypotenuse, base, and perpendicular. Okay, the base is given as 48 and its hypotenuse is given as 50. We need to find out the area. For finding the area, first we need to find out the third side, which can be found out with the help of, very good, Pythagoras theorem. So if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, it will be x square plus 48 square is equals to 50 square. 48 square, yes, you know the trick how to find out the square of any number. First do the square of 14, that is 16, square of 8, that is 84, 64. Now put a cross sign and then multiply these three numbers. 8 into 8 will be, yes, 64. Add these. So the area will, 48 square will be 2304 and 50 square will be 2500. Now x square will be 2500 minus 2304. It is equals to 196, and 196 is a perfect square of 14. Very good. So the third side will be 14. Okay, what they're asking, the area. Okay, area can be find out with the two method. Either you can use Heron's formula or you can use half into base into height. Which method is easy for the here? Yes, it is a right angle triangle, so we will use half into base into height. Here the base is 48 and the height is 14. If you simplify it, it will become 48 into 7, that is equals to, okay, 28 plus 5 will be 33, 336 centimeters square. So the area of the triangle will be 336 centimeters square. According to the question, we will use the formulas. Any doubt? No? Okay, now in the next video, we will try more question. In this, we had completed the MCQ. Any doubt in Heron's formula? Why we use Heron's formula? When you have all the three sides, you will use Heron's formula. If you have base into height, if you have the height in a right angle triangle or any triangle, you can use half into base into height if you need to find out its area. Still, if you have any doubt in any one of the question, then you can comment and ask your query. Okay, learners. Okay, meet you in the next video. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.